Are you tired of feeling sluggish and drained? Do you struggle with digestive issues or an uneven complexion? If so, then it's time to discover the magic of lemon water. This simple yet powerful drink has many health benefits that can transform your body and skin from the inside out. From supporting healthy digestion and aiding in weight loss to keeping you hydrated and supporting a strong immune system, lemon water is a natural solution to many common health concerns. So take advantage of the opportunity to feel your best and learn how to incorporate it into your daily routine easily. Lemon water for a healthy digestive system. Do you want to keep your digestive system functioning at its best? If so, then lemon water may be the answer you've been looking for. Lemon water can help stimulate bile production, a vital digestive enzyme necessary for the digestion of fats. This can improve overall digestion and reduce common digestive complaints like indigestion and heartburn. In addition to its bile-stimulating effects, lemon water can also help to flush out toxins and waste products from the digestive system. And with its vitamin C content, lemon water may also stimulate the production of stomach acid, which can aid in the digestion of food. So why not try lemon water and see the difference it can make for your digestive health? Its numerous digestive benefits and refreshing taste make it a simple and delicious way to support optimal digestion. Lemon water for a healthy-looking skin. Did you know that the secret to radiant, healthy-looking skin could be as simple as sipping lemon water? It's true! The vitamin C and antioxidants found in lemon water can work wonders for the appearance of your skin. Not only can these nutrients help to protect the skin from damaging free radicals, but they can also boost collagen production, helping to keep the skin looking youthful. And that's not all. The citric acid in lemon water can help to exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores. This can lead to a clearer, smoother complexion with fewer blemishes. But the benefits of lemon water for the skin don't stop there. Many people find that it can also have a toning effect, helping to tighten and firm the appearance of the skin. And with its natural astringent properties, lemon water can help improve the skin's overall tone and texture. With its skin-loving benefits, it's a simple and delicious way to take your skincare routine to the next level. Lemon water for weight loss. Some people claim that drinking lemon water can help with weight loss, although the scientific evidence to support this claim is limited. That being said, there are a few ways in which lemon water may potentially support weight loss efforts. Lemon water can help to reduce appetite and cravings. The pectin fiber in lemon juice can help to reduce hunger, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Lemon water may also boost metabolism. Vitamin C can help to increase the body's metabolic rate, which is the rate at which the body burns calories. It also supports digestion. As mentioned earlier, lemon water can help to improve digestion and flush out toxins and waste products from the body. This can potentially support your weight loss efforts. To see the best results, it's essential to incorporate lemon water into a balanced, calorie-controlled diet and to engage in regular physical activity. Lemon water for hydration. Hydration is essential for overall health and well-being, and lemon water is a great way to stay hydrated. Water alone can be a little boring, and adding a few slices of lemon can give it a refreshing twist. Lemon water can help keep you feeling hydrated and energized, especially on hot summer days when you may lose fluids through sweat. The electrolytes in lemon juice, such as potassium, can help balance fluids and prevent dehydration. In addition to its hydrating properties, lemon water also have other benefits that can contribute to an energized feeling. For example, the vitamin C in lemon water may help to boost energy levels and improve overall mood. To stay properly hydrated, it's important to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day, including lemon water, and to listen to your body's thirst signals. Lemon water for immune boosting. Finally, vitamin C is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in supporting a strong immune system. Unfortunately, the body cannot produce or store vitamin C, so it is important to get an adequate intake of this nutrient through the diet. Lemon water is a great source of vitamin C, making it an excellent choice for supporting immune health. In addition to its vitamin C content, lemon water has other immune-boosting properties. For example, the citric acid in lemon juice may help to prevent the formation of kidney stones, which can lead to urinary tract infections. These infections can weaken the immune system and make it more susceptible to other illnesses. Lemon water may also have antioxidant properties, which can help to protect the body from damaging free radicals. Free radicals can weaken the immune system and lead to inflammation, so consuming foods and beverages with antioxidants can help to support immune health. It is worth noting that the benefits of lemon water may vary depending on an individual's overall health and lifestyle. To support a strong immune system, it's important to consume a varied diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, as well as to engage in regular physical activity and practice good hygiene. So next time you're feeling under the weather, try sipping on some lemon water to boost your immune system. Alternatives to lemon water. If you want to switch things up from the usual lemon water routine, have no fear. There are many tasty and fun ways to incorporate lemons into your diet and reap their health benefits. Check out these tasty options. Lemon juice. You can simply squeeze the juice of a lemon into a glass of water or mix it with other beverages for a refreshing and healthy drink. Lemon juice can also be added to salads, sauces, and other dishes for a burst of flavor. Lemon tea. Steep a few slices of lemon in hot water to make a soothing and refreshing lemon tea. You can also add honey or other herbs to customize the flavor. Lemon zest. The outer peel of a lemon, known as the zest, is packed with flavor and nutrients. You can add lemon zest to various dishes, including baked goods, salads, and marinades for a burst of citrus flavor. Lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil is made from the peel of the lemon and is highly concentrated. It can be added to water, tea, or other beverages for a burst of lemon flavor or used in aromatherapy to promote a sense of calm and clarity. Lemon-infused water. Instead of adding lemon slices to your water, you can also try soaking lemon slices in a pitcher of water overnight. This will infuse the water with a more subtle lemon flavor and can be a convenient way to make a larger batch of lemon water at once. It's worth noting that these alternatives to lemon water may offer different benefits than lemon water. For example, lemon tea may provide less hydration than plain water, and lemon essential oil is highly concentrated and should be used cautiously. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered aromatherapist before adding any new dietary supplement or essential oil to your routine. Thanks for joining us in exploring the amazing benefits of lemon water. So the next time you're feeling sluggish or dehydrated, grab a glass of lemon water and see the positive effects for yourself. So do you know other benefits of lemon water besides what we've included in the video? Join the conversation and let us know in the comment section below. And remember to share this video with your friends and family and let them know the secret to better health and energy with lemon water.